Okay, people, I've had a funny happening. Somebody sent me some stuff and I couldn't remember who it was. It's not one of my usual suppliers. A nice firm had got in touch with me, a firm I'd not heard of, and said, can we send you some moulds to try? And I said, oh, thank you very much. Yes, of course you can. Now they've arrived and there was no note in with them. And then I couldn't remember who the hell it was because it was a couple of weeks ago. So I've just rooted all through my emails and found that it was a firm called onedaysaving.com. I'll put you the links for everything below, but I thought, well, first of all, I'm going to unwrap these because it's noisy off camera. And then we'll go through them. But I also wanted to ask you, have any of you got any experience of this onedaysaving.com firm? Having had a quick look at the website, I'm guessing it's like a Temu, Wish or AliExpress type of thing, I'm not sure. Anyway, let me know what your experience is, because these moulds look good. Right, let me just get them out of the noisy cellophane and we'll have a look at them. So, these little ones, I'm not going to get them out completely, but I think these are they Christmas tree decorations? They've certainly got, oh, key rings, they've got a hangy up thing. Gingerbread man, there's writing around the edges, little Christmas tree. This one's a little Christmas tree. Snowflake. So they could be tree decorations, they could be key rings. We've got Santa in that one. We've got writing in this one. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Christmas trees. So I'm guessing these could be dangles for whatever you want. So they could go on your Christmas tree, they could go be handbag dangles, key rings or whatever. Key chains, as I think you call them in America. Right, a bit more rustling off screen here. This one looks fun. That's a base look. You know what, I could use that for all sorts of things. Anyway, look. Looks like we've got a Christmas tree and a hangy thing. Need to give it a bit of a wipe over by the look of it. So that would stand up in there, and yeah, that looks fun. And I've just had another quick look at their website. My God, they're cheap. Anyway, noisy unwrap of another thing. Okay, decided not to unwrap this one. You can see what it is. Reindeer, and they've got the little hangy up dooblies look. So that's nice. These I'm going to leave in the bag too. As you can see, there's two different sorts of Christmas tree. Those look good, don't they? And then finally, I will open this one off screen because there's a lot of wrapping here. Back in a moment. Oh no, these look fun. These appear to be candle holders, look, because there's that bit. I don't think you'd want to use candles with resin though, because it's flammable. Maybe if you use Eco-Pour or whatever, but we've got a bell. We've got what looks like a fat reindeer. We have got a little fat Santa. And we've got a snowman. Well, they're rather adorable, so we can have fun with this lot, aren't I? Yeah, it looks like Christmas has well and truly landed. Cheesy Christmas stuff coming up soon then, folks. So yeah, I'm curious, let me know, what have you come across this One Day Savings firm before? It's a new one on me. Their email was really nice, I have to say. Their products, they look good fun. They certainly look very well priced. So yeah, I mean, I'll let you know how I get on, but do put some comments down below. Have you come across them? What do you think? Have you tried their products? What countries is it available in as well? Obviously, I'm in England. Can you get them, this firm, pretty much worldwide? Let me know. Are they available in your country? What do you think of them? What's your experience? Just anything, really, that you know about this firm. Because so far, I have to say, this looks great. Join me again for having a play with these. I have got a backlog of videos as usual, but as Christmas is now coming up quite quickly, I am going to have a mad fit of doing Christmas stuff, and of course I have promised you some more product reviews. So if you like this little deboxing video, then you know where all the buttons are. Just click something down here, that would be marvellous. Thumbs up and all that. And I look forward to seeing you for some proper making stuff videos coming soon. Bye folks!